In today's video, we will compare two popular washing machines: the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll explore their features, performance, and usability to help you decide which one is the better choice for your laundry needs. When it comes to price, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine is priced at $175 United States dollars, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the portable washing machine offers a more budget-friendly price of $69 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and laundry needs. In terms of capacity, the Giantex model can handle up to 20 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 Ls, which is ideal for smaller loads, such as underwear and baby clothes. Depending on your laundry habits, this could be a crucial factor in your choice. The design of the Giantex washing machine features a compact twin tub setup, allowing for efficient washing and spinning simultaneously. In contrast, the portable washing machine is foldable, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space, such as in apartments or dormitories. Each design serves different needs, so consider your living situation when making a choice. To summarize, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine offers a larger capacity and a premium design, while the portable washing machine is budget-friendly and space-saving. Consider your laundry needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.